Hi, and welcome to today's WordPress tutorial. So today I'm going to keep it short. I'm going to keep it very simple. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you exactly how to create this sidebar right here for, say, you want to make an online store or anything like that. You want to have a nice sidebar. This is what we're going to use. We're going to be using WooCommerce for this, and it's going to be very easy. It's going to be very simple. Now, before we get started, I just want to say that if you need a website, I would strongly recommend you go to siteground.com and get a website from them. They offer hosting plans, they offer domain names, they offer one-click WordPress installs. It's very easy, it's very simple. They're my #1 recommended brand. I use them for all of my websites. Any website that I create for anybody or any client, I'll use SiteGround. They're very reliable. And once you get that, they'll hook you up with WordPress, they'll hook you up with domain names. It's very cheap too, so I would strongly recommend it. So let's get started. Now I'm going to go to my dashboard right here. So the first thing that you would want to do is you would want to install WooCommerce if you don't have it. So to install WooCommerce, you would just have to go to plugins and then add new. And then right here you would search plugins and you would type WooCommerce and then you would press enter. And of course it'll be the first one here since it's a very popular plugin. You'll have no trouble finding it. So once you find it, you click install and then you click activate, or it should already be activated by itself. Then once you do, you just want to make sure that here you have a WooCommerce tab and that you have a products tab. If you do, then you've installed WooCommerce and you're all set, you're good to go. So how do we do this sidebar right here? Well, it's very easy. Say you have a page where you show your products like I have here. As this is a website I'm currently working on for somebody. It's still in progress. I haven't got the pictures yet of the actual products, so I'm using just the stock photos right now. If you have your products and you want to have like a sidebar here, it could be very useful. So how you would do that, you would go to appearance, you would go to widgets, and then let me just delete all of these. Now, if I refresh, there's no more sidebar because I deleted everything. So here, if you scroll down, you have all of your available widgets that you can put in either your sidebar or your footer. Now the footer here, it says Top Shop, but that's only because I'm using the theme that's called Top Shop. Whatever theme you're using, it'll be that theme's own footer, but it's the same thing, is the same process. So what you want to do is, for now, I've added a slider, and this is a plugin called Meta Slider. If you want it, just go to plugins, add new, and then search for Meta Slider, and then you'll find it, install it, and then you'll have a slider here. So I'll click this, and then I'll make sure the sidebar is selected, and then I'll add my widget. And now as you can see, it appeared on my sidebar, the Meta Slider. Good. Now I want to add my top rated products over here. Scroll down, make sure it's the sidebar, click add widget, and now we have it here. Then I would want to add a price filter. So WooCommerce price filter, add widget, my price filter is there, and then lastly my categories, product categories, add widget, and leave it like that. And then once I refresh, I should have a slider here, which you can obviously customize if you go to Meta Slider, which you will have once you install the plugin Meta Slider. Then I'll have my top rated products, which will depend entirely on the products that I have on the website. Being a new website that's still under construction, I only have these 4 products, so that's why only those will show. Then I have filter by price. If I change the price, it'll filter by price. And then I have my product categories where I can click necklaces and rings if I wanted to. Very easy, very simple, it's there. If anyone, it'll attract attention to your other products, give people a sense of what else you offer and whatnot. It's very useful, it's very good, and it's very easy to do, and this is all done within WooCommerce. So I hope that this video has been helpful. Once again, if you are in need of a website, strongly recommend siteground.com, phenomenal service. It's been my pleasure making this tutorial for you and helping you. I hope that at least one person got something out of this. As I always say, if one person was helped from my videos, then I'm eternally thankful and grateful, of course. And until next time, see you later.